Here she is, the Trek 100, about to become the Trek 1.23. She's got a set of Windspace Hyper 23 carbon wheels, carbon seat post and very light seat, carbon Ultegra pedals, Ultegra Holotech chain set, very light stem, albeit that's still aluminium, some carbon spacers, the bar tape, very important, and very light carbon handlebars. The pièce de résistance is thanks to 123, all that I noticed with the bottle cage, that I actually got the stem stem cap, 123, happy about that. And let's see what it weighs now. It was 9.2 before, let's get them on and see what it weighs. Okay, all the parts are fitted, finally. What is it telling us? 7.61. Wow, 7.61, no way. With the old bearing, it was well over 9.2. I mean, it's knocked off almost 2 kilos off the bike. It's like it weighs nothing. What a fantastic achievement. I think it looks pretty good too. I mean, I gotta get the bar tape on there, but it looks a lot better than it used to. Great. Right, summary, 9.2 down to 7.6. Where have I found those savings? The seat and the seat post saved about 150 grams. The pedals saved 70 odd grams. The new crankset saved 131 grams. The handlebar saved 150 grams. The stem saved about 50 grams. And these little bits saved 4 grams actually. By far and away the biggest saving was on the wheels. They went from 3.1 kilos down to 2.2 kilos. That's with everything, wheels, tyres. Went from a tubed setup to a tubeless setup as well here. That's worth noting. That's at 900 grams. So the total of all of that is 1.456. It's about a kilo and a half. So that's about right, isn't it? 9.2 minus a kilo and a half gives you about 7.7, you know, and that's the estimate. So it's actually made quite a big difference. I think it was worth doing. It feels really good. It feels light. I mean, I enjoy taking it out and see how nimble it feels. Let's take a closer look at this Trek 100. What started life as a lowly 1.2 has become the 1.23. Originally conceived in 2023, it's got the 123 bottle holder, it's got a 123 stem cap, and it's got Hyper 23 Windspace carbon wheels on it. It's got Shimano 105. It's got a much lighter stem from Selkoff. It's got these bits replaced here, the spacers with carbon ones. It's got new brakes on it. These are Tektro brakes, not particularly expensive brakes. They were just some parts that I had, but better than the originals. The Windspace wheels have got Grand Prix 5000s on TT tubeless. It's got Ultegra on for the crank. 5034. It's got I believe this was a Tiagra. Could be a 105. Definitely got a 105 rear derailleur on there. It's got a carbon seat post and really nice fabric seat. Not so much padding in there, but I really like how direct it feels. And yeah, 7.6 kilos. That's pretty good going. That's as light as the current Trek Madone, I think. But we've got one last weigh-in to do, and it's like factory fresh. So let's get it stripped right back naked and do that final weigh-in. Okay, here we are with what I call the naked frame. It hasn't got bottle cages on. It hasn't got pedals on. It has got bar tape and bar end plugs. What is it? Trek Madone SLR, 7.4 kilos to beat. Let's just make sure we tear this. 7.38, it says. We're under. Eat that, Madone. Can we see that? Yeah, that's good. I'm really happy with that. 7.3, it weighs nothing. Could we take some more out of this? Look, if you enjoyed this and you want to see more of it, like and subscribe.